Hello friends, today in this video we're watching the low price wooden bed designs with the modern designs. There you can see there are the lots of designs are available in this video. There you can see I have mentioned the price of design beds. All are with the wooden frames, wooden bed designs because wooden beds are more durable than any other material. So considering we spend one third of our life in a sleeping, it is vital that you select an elegant option as a part of your home for years to come to add some much needed style, character, and functionality to your bedroom because it looks no other than the distinctive appearance of a wooden bed with the storage drawers. There are some benefits of the wooden bed designs because it is money saving capabilities, stylish and timeless designs, premium quality, it is free up storage areas, achieve a better night's sleep. The best advantage of the wooden bed is the money saving capabilities because there is no denying that a handmade wooden bed carefully created by expert craftsmen is more expensive than your usual mass product alternatives. But however, it's not a fair for you to have a compromise between quality and durability alongside the price. In total, cheaper alternatives beds might seem like the option where you pay less, but the cost can increase over the years. The poor material used aren't built to last quite like handmade wooden beds. Handmade wooden bed is a more expensive option to begin with. It's more cost effective in the long run to the extent that it should last for your lifetime. There you can see all the beds is in your budget. There are the smaller size beds, bigger. It is like 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6. All the sizes are available. If you want more details, you can contact through my mail ID. Wooden beds are more stylish and the timeless designs. It could be a four-poster bed with thick. A wooden bed with the storage drawers never goes out of style thanks to many timeless design that instantly demand attention in many bedroom style. There's never the worry of potentially not liking a design, as wooden beds with the storage drawers that match always add a touch of class and sophistication with the look never given out of fashion. If you need sizing changes, a bed to match the style of your current bedroom furniture. A wooden bed can offer that and much more with plenty of attention. The best material can create designs that make you look twice. All the beds are of the premium quality. As I mentioned, only look for a bed that features the finest grades of wood which have been selected for the distinctive notes, character and durability. So an important benefit of choosing a wooden bed made from the superior materials is that you will get also the extra strength storage drawer made from the exact same materials. It means your underbed storage drawers won't look out of a place as the solid wood is designed to match your bed perfectly. A wooden bed of any style is there for your comfort and to prominent addition to your bedroom. However, even the most majestic of bed perhaps can't save the bedroom ambience if a lack of overall storage space has left your entire peaceful. A stunning and the simple wooden bed still have many intricate designs that deserve to be shown off in the limelight.